Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Isha and you're watching The Craft Therapy. So today's video is all going to be about kids closet organization. So as we all know, kids outgrow their clothes pretty fast. अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि अलमारी के किसी कोने में एक नई टी शर्ट पड़ी की पड़ी रह जाती है और बच्चों के केस में ये बहुत होता है. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि ज़रूरत पड़ने पर आपको चीज़ मिल नहीं रही. सो बच्चों की अलमारी को ऑर्गेनाइज करना और डीक्लटर करना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है. सो आज हम यही कोशिश करेंगे कि बच्चों की अलमारी डीक्लटर्ड रहे, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रहे, एट द सेम टाइम इतनी मेहनत ना रखनी पड़े उसको मेंटेन करने में. सो आई विल ट्राई एंड शेयर वेरी सिंपल टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स which you can do easily without any extra effort. And the kids closet will remain organized. You can save all those pretty cute outfits which were never worn because they were lost somewhere amid the pile of clothes. So let's get started. So this is how I've organized my son's closet. So starting from the right, I have hanged all the clothes which are actually large right now. These were all gifted or we bought them during some sale, and these are not the correct size. So I've hanged them here so that I know what all is available, and the next time I shop, I can shop accordingly. At the same time, these do not get lost in a pile of clothes. Next up is the jackets. Then I have party wears, the festive wears, traditional kurtas. Then I have all the shirts, then the full sleeves, and then the casual t-shirts. So I have hanged all the clothes together because we are in Bangalore and Bangalore's weather is very unpredictable. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's very hot. So we need full sleeves as well as half sleeves and casual t-shirts together. So the hangers I've used are actually mix and match. So these ones I got from DMart, and this one I think First Cry, and the velvet ones are from Amazon. These are basically Amazon basic. I'll give the link of these in the description box below. Then coming down to this space, so I've repurposed these boxes. So this is a cardboard box, and this is actually a blanket box. This is the top part and this is the half part. So here in this big box, I've made 2 rows. So over here are jeans, cargos and outdoor wear. Here are his casual bottoms. In this box, I have the hankies, masks, vests, briefs and the towels. In this one here, I have the night suits and the shorts. So right now my son is in a phase where he doesn't like to wear anything short like 3/4 or shorts. So that is why all the shorts are kept here. And this is the bag. So this is actually a very cool hack, and which I have been using, and it saves me a lot of time. So I keep all his socks in this Ziploc bag. I basically fold them like this. So this way they don't get lost and they're very compact. And I don't have to worry about piling them. So I have not kept anything in the file system except the bottoms because it's very difficult to maintain, especially with kids' small clothes. So I also have this hook here which I use to hang his belts and ties. If you can't drill holes in the door, you can also use these kind of over the door hangers which are easily available on Amazon. I'll give a link to this as well in the description box. Coming to this drawer, so this drawer is reserved for his medical records, medicines. Then we have some chargers for his cars and toys, extra zippers. And here I have some keepsakes like some photos and his first flight boarding pass, some extra wet wipes, diapers. So this section is reserved for the supplies which are actually packed new but he has not used them. So I've kept it here, and I also keep any extra toiletries here as well. So for example, this one is a new bottle and it is here. In this drawer, I've kept all his blankets. Then these are the new towels. These are his hand knitted sweaters, which actually we do not need in Bangalore, but his nanny has sent, so I've kept his caps. Then this is the Krishna costume which we use on Janmashtami. This is a spare bag, and this is a swimwear, and this is the pile where I keep all the outgrown clothes. So the reason his wardrobe remains clean is that every time I see that he has outgrown a particular cloth, I do not, after the next wash, I do not keep it back in the upper section. I keep it here in this section, and once this pile grows to a considerable size, we go to donate it. Then this is the last drawer, And here all the big toys are kept. So we have tried a million times to arrange this last drawer, but he always goes to the the oldest toy or the last toy in the corner of the cupboard, and he will pick that out and everything will get messy. But that's kids for you, and this is a time that we need to cherish because this will fly away very soon. So you see, kids closet organization is neither expensive and nor difficult. All you need is a one-time effort and some hangers and some sari boxes or any cardboard boxes, and you're good to go. If you have any question, please feel free to drop a comment below. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.